Hey everybody, today we're going to be going over 3 different kinds of videos that you can make at home. So you might be thinking that making a video is really hard, or that it takes a lot of time and money, but it doesn't have to. Here we're going to go through the 3 most common types of videos and everything that you need to know to be able to recreate them to promote yourself or your brand. This is the vlog style video. Now these kind of videos are really easy to make because you don't need a lot of gear. I'm just recording on my phone right now. And it doesn't really matter where you are. I'm just in my room. Doing it outside might be nice too. You can really do them anywhere as long as you have enough light. Now I know I've done a lot of editing, but don't let that scare you. You can really do it in one long take if that's what you want. And what you really want to accomplish here is to establish a sense of commonality between you and your audience. You want to show you and your brand in a more personal light. If you prefer a more structured approach, interview style videos are definitely the way to go. Just make sure you rehearse what you want to say before you get in front of the camera. Writing a script can be a good tool, especially if you're the type of person who likes to ramble, but make sure to keep it short and concise, because there's not a lot going on in these videos and you want to make sure that you retain the attention of your audience. These videos are a great way to connect with your audience while still appearing professional. Another option is the product demonstration video. It's close to the interview style, but if you've got something to sell, it's a great way to show it off. The viewer is going to feel like they're seeing the real thing in action, which can calm any anxieties they might have had before watching the video. And like the interview style, you're going to want to make sure you have a script and to rehearse before you get in front of the camera. Make sure you have a lot of light. House lights will do. You can sit near a window or you can go outside. Your phone camera will work just fine. A microphone is recommended, but it's optional. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you found this video informative. If you have any questions or any requests for future videos, please leave a comment. Check out our Facebook page. Maybe you'll see something you like. I'll see you guys next time.